Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Visa from InCred Equities. Nifty managed to restrict its losses. The expectations were that after a 2.5%, 3% fall in US markets, Indian markets will also get crushed. There were reports of the things getting patched up between US and China, and Dow futures were up 400 points before the markets opened. But the fact that we restricted losses around 50 points, it's as flat as it can be. 50 points cut towards our trading session, that's not a big deal. And Bank Nifty rather closed minor positive again, as flat as it can be. So that shows that there is some resilience by the bulls and levels are being sustained. Having said that, it becomes irrelevant whether there are negative reports coming around or positive reports coming around till the time Nifty does not cross about 25,500 or other closes about 25,500. This is an immediate hurdle, irrespective of the news flow floating around. We have seen multiple attempts towards these levels and rejections every time. Let us see if we sustain. If we do, then within a month we can expect fresh lifetime high in Nifty. Overall setup remains positive. 24,000 put writers are getting more and more confident as the days pass. Any dip towards 25,000 is a buy. If you ask me, is there a trade in Nifty at the current juncture? It's going to be a difficult question to answer. But risk takers can buy Nifty if there's a 60, 70 points dip coming from the yesterday's close. Keep a 100 point stop loss or stop loss on 25,000 and you buy again for 25,500. But safer bet would be on a dip towards 25,000 levels. Bank Nifty has also managed to sustain levels, and that is also expected to give a strong push. If you see SBI, very stable, it's given a swing breakout above 880. So if that sustains, that can give a push to Bank Nifty, which in turn can give push to Nifty Index as well. Broader markets also yesterday did not correct that much, more or less flattish to mild negativity seen across the portfolio. So that also is going to help a bit. US markets yesterday closed on a very positive note. 50% of the downside was covered, around 1.5%, 1.6% higher. Interestingly, yesterday everything was up, whether we talk about crude that was up, gold, silver that was up, dollar index that was up, equities that was also up. These are rare instances. You don't see all of these asset classes going up in sync. You can't read anything into that. It's just one day. It can be one off, but that can give some push to Indian equity markets as well. GIFT Nifty, however, is pointing towards a 20-25 point subside as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a flattish note. Let us see if we pick up the momentum as the day progresses, and weekly expiry can also play a critical role today. The levels that I mentioned, stick to those. Do not be too aggressive. At the end of the day, markets are still in the range 25,000, 25,500. That is all from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.